Today in our lesson, we will be utilizing Geometer Sketchpad version 5. Geometer Sketchpad is a dynamic tool for geometry that you can use to create very elaborate geometric figures. The great thing about Geometer Sketchpad is you don't have to be an expert to understand what it is that you are doing. All you have to do is know the few simple tools and you can go very far. The tools that we have located on the left-hand side of the Sketchpad workbook page includes the arrow. The arrow is used to select and move objects in the sketch. By selecting on a point, a line, a segment, a circle, or an arc, you can move or manipulate the image to be larger or smaller. Once you've clicked on it, you will notice that it is highlighted. To deselect, you simply click on the object again or click outside of the object. Below the arrow is the point button. You use this to construct points within the sketch. Below that is the compass tool. The compass tool is used to construct circles. You can simply click on this image, click a point in your sketch, and drag out to create a circle. Below the compass is our straight edge tool. It gives us three options: a line segment, a ray, and a line. By selecting one of those, you can create a line segment, or a ray. Below this is the area tool. By using the area tool, you can create a connected polygon or the inside of a polygon so that you can see the entire image shaded in. For example, a quadrilateral like this, once all connected, shows that the area inside is also shaded in and is also taken into account in the problem. Below that is the text tool. The text tool is used to label objects in a sketch. In order to change the label, once you've already written it, you can side-click. Let me type something in first. You can side-click and go to Properties to change if you want it to be hidden or not. So now it's gone. You can change your text, your font, your color. Just make it very you. This tool is great to create captions and to label diagrams that you've created, like that quadrilateral we just created. You can label it as A, B, C, D, all the different points. You can also label it by sides, L, M, and O. Finally, we have the custom tool button. This one we will not be using because I do not think the software is required for this task. The custom icon is if you need special tools, either tools that are supplied with Sketchpad or tools you create yourself to do the type of sketch that is required for the educational lesson. We will not be using this today. Going back to review, we have a point. A point has now been created. Let's say we would like a line segment. We have a line segment now. In order to review the measurements, which we will be using today, by clicking on the line, you find out the measurement of that particular line segment. Let's say I wanted to have a circle that encompassed this area. In order to find out the circumference of the circle has to be selected. And again, in order to find out the measurement of the area of a circle, the circle itself must be selected. And again, to find the radius so that we could calculate it ourselves, would either be the measurement of length of CD, or we would use the measure tool to find the radius. You can do similar things for quadrilaterals. So let's draw an arbitrary quadrilateral. Okay. So if we wish to know the lengths of all the sides, we can measure the lengths. This whole grouping will move here. In order to find out the area and perimeter, we need to use our area tool so that the inside of our quadrilateral is shaded. Once it is shaded, we can measure the perimeter and then the area. This should help you get started on your activities in GSP today. Enjoy your lesson!